Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI. If you are looking for a fun hobby, I highly recommend this RC truck from Hypergo. It is so fast. It goes over 40 miles per hour, and it was even hard to get footage of this. This thing is moving. We have a lot of fun with this. It comes with 2 batteries, so you can always have one on the charge. You simply pop these out here, and you can easily connect it and also charge there on the right. The controller here is up to 120 feet in distance, and this truck comes with 2 skins, a black one and a blue one. It also has extra parts, and what I really like about this is that when we're doing tricks and jumps and flips, it lands back on its tires majority of the time, which is really nice. And in a short period of time, we've been able to do some really cool stuff with it. We are able to take it to the park, to the racetrack, and really have a fun time with it. If you're looking to purchase this for your kid, it does have an adjustment on the controller. You can do a 70% throttle, which is really nice for beginners, for yourself or your child. And as you can see here, this thing is super fast. I mean, that's all in real time. It's pretty amazing. So I would highly recommend this. And that is my point of view.